vegetables are nicely sauteed. Now I'm going to put just a tiny little bit of chicken stock into the pot to make sure that the vegetables don't stick and burn. It's just a little bit, just maybe 3 tablespoons worth is plenty, just enough. And the saute option is still on the Instant Pot. And I'm going to take about 1.5 pounds of ground beef and just pour it right in there, just like that. And we're going to brown up the beef just a little bit to start it cooking and also get a little bit more flavor and texture into the meat. In here, we're also going to add just a few splashes of Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit, and that gives it a lot more body. We're going to add some of my favorite gunpowder seasoning, my grandfather's special recipe that's taken him about 20 years to perfect. So we're going to put a little bit of this, or maybe a lot, right into the pot. And we're going to let it continue on the saute function of our Instant Pot just until the meat is starting to get brown and cook. The meat is browned up. It's really, really well integrated with the vegetables now. You can see it's getting juicy. So now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. That should do it right there. Then I'm going to add in just a few more splashes of Worcestershire sauce. That's about another 2 teaspoons, I would say. I'm also going to add just a little bit of chicken stock. And the tomato paste is actually going to go ahead and help thicken up the chili so it doesn't take very much. Also, and I know I'm probably going to get a lot of flack for this, but it's a family preference. We like a really hearty chili, so we're going to add 2 cans of rinsed and drained kidney beans. What? We like beans, okay? It's a cold night. This is a warm dish, and it's going to keep us warm through the rest of the night. Just like that. Okay. So I also need 3 cans of diced tomatoes with the juice. All of that goes right in. Okay. There we go. 3rd can of tomatoes right in there. We're going to put some crushed red pepper. I like it a little spicy, so we're going to go ahead and give it a few healthy shakes. Here we are. And y'all probably didn't know I had my tasting spoon back here, so before I close this baby up and let all of the flavors meld together, I'm going to taste it. All right, so good. All right, I have my lid right here. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my pot right here. Make sure that the valve is turned to sealing. Lock it in place, and I want to hit the chili setting right there. Set it for 30 minutes, and it's going to automatically start. This Instant Pot is going to infuse all of those flavors together. Everything's going to be really intensified and great. So all of the seasonings that you put in here are going to make an amazing dinner in just 30 minutes. What would normally take 4 to 6 hours to make is only going to take 30 minutes. Dinner is done. Okay, guys, 30 minutes. We'll check you back. I just let the steam out of the Instant Pot, and I know that it's safe to open whenever the little silver dial has gone down. Whenever it's full steam, this will be elevated, and you can manually let the steam out, and it'll drop the dial. It's a little bit cold in here. So we're about to warm up really quickly because now our chili is done. I can't believe it's only been 30 minutes and all of that flavor is inside this chili. It smells absolutely incredible. So now we're just gonna go ahead and plate it up and have a nice, warm, hearty bowl of chili that only took 30 minutes to make instead of letting it sit in a crock pot for 6 hours, right? I can't wait to dig into this. It's a little bit too hot, but dress it up with cheese, dress it up with sour cream, whatever you want. The Instant Pot is absolutely one of my most favorite tools in the kitchen. Here at Kitchen Bravo, I use it at least 2 or 3 times a week. The Instant Pot is definitely a kitchen must-have. For more information, for more tips, tricks, recipes, and awesomeness, find me on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. I'm everywhere. This is Keisha signing off at Kitchen Bravo for awesomeness every single day.